Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to make a Victoria sponge. Now hopefully you've got your weighing scales out, sugar, butter, baking powder, self-raising flour and eggs. See you. Grease your tin and get the parchment and make it into a circle on the bottom so the cake doesn't stick. So now we're going to get our bowl out, and you need to preheat the oven to 180 and fan on 160. So get your weighing scale, put it onto zit, and first get your little tub out. Ooh. Now, we need to weigh. Make sure it's on zip before you do it. Like that. Now, we need to get our sugar. Now, you need 2 to 5 of sugar, okay? You need to get some scissors. Okay. Now guys, you need to chop up your butter into 225. So I got it here. Let's start chopping. So guys, once you finish cutting up your butter, you can start putting in the flour. So I'm going to get my flour out, and you need 225 of flour. 225? So you just need to gently pour in the flour and 225. Then put it in the bowl, then you're done. So now guys, we need to get our eggs out. So you need 4 large eggs, which I'm going to do now. Make sure you don't get any shells. If you do, then just pick them out quite gooey. 1. Ooh, no shells there. Yeah. That is literally gross. So now, once you've done with our big bowl, we need to whisk it. So we need to connect our whisker up to any charger point, then just make it into it's nice and kind of gooey. Might want to taste it. Tastes nice. So once you've mixed it, it should look a bit like this. Now, if we go over here, we have got our baked tins just lined up like this. You should grease them a little bit. So now we're going to put the cake mixture into the pot. Guys, now we have put in our mixture. Should be kind of even. So we need to cook them for about 25 to 30 minutes. So see you when they're baked. So guys, now you need to leave it to cool for 30 minutes like I've just done. And yeah. So now we are going to get some lemon curd. You can put jam or really anything in it. So we need to put the lemon curd onto this. And yeah. Now I got my knife and my spoon. And we're just going to get the lemon curd and dollop it onto this cake. So once you've got around as much as you want, then just start smoothly spreading it just lightly over the cake. And if you want to go crazy, you can put extra layers on. we're going to make the icing to go onto it. So it's going to be butter icing. Just put like, I don't know, a little bit of butter into it and a little bit of water and, as you know, icing sugar. See you then. So now I've finished the cake and iced it. So now we're going to put some sprinkles on. This is going to look epic. So that's finished. Watching my video and hope that helps you make some cakes.